See, the thing is, nobody teaches us that life is never just good or just bad. It is both at the same time. Good moments come and they go. Bad moments come and they go too. In most cases, we struggle because we expect life to stay one way. When things are good, we get into a comfort mode and we relax. And when things are hard, we fall apart. And in truth, real strength is in learning how to handle both, is in learning to live within these two realities, within both realities. It is not to get attached to the highs. It is not to get broken by the lows. It is knowing how to enjoy the good, but not depend on it or let it be what defines us. It is knowing that we have to feel the bad, but we must never let the bad consume us. We must not be the bad. We must not be defined by the bad moments, because life will always change. We are the ones that have to stay steady through it all. Steady does not mean that we don't feel, but steady is simply living with both realities, understanding that they are inevitable. It is understanding that we are here to experience life in its wholeness. Others would say fullest, but fullest and wholeness means the good and the bad, and we just have to learn to live with both. And if we can do that, we will not just survive, we will not just exist, but we will grow through everything, and we will really welcome every experience as is, and just as life experiences that come with the journey. I do hope that you receive this one gently, you grow gently, pivot gently, heal gently, live gently.